Welcome back to another episode of Big John's Cooking. Today, we're doing some short ribs. We're braising them in the pressure cooker. Stick around. Alright, this is the Chef IG pressure cooker. Not sponsored by them, and they didn't send it to me. I bought it myself. Just giving you the idea of what I got going there. If you ain't got one, this is the one. Pairs with your phone. I mean, it's got a lot of neat features. I haven't got into all of them, but you know, pressure cooking is my thing. So you know, that's what I'm into right now, and it does amazing things and shortens some time, especially with things like short ribs, pork ribs, chuck roast. Those are the things that I've cooked so far, and I'm loving it. Alright, first thing I'm going to do is braise my meat. Well, after I season it. Alright, I'm not going to do nothing real special to these. Just going to salt and pepper them. Now, although I didn't take the skin off the bone, I'm gonna get all sides. It's a nice little chunk of meat, so it can handle the seasoning. We're gonna add a little pepper to the game. A little cracked black. And we're just going to dabble these around a little bit. Pick up those residual pieces. We're going to get this going here. We're going to heat this up to saute. Start the heating process on this. When it comes to temperature, I'll bring you back. Not completely up to temp just yet, but it's coming pretty quick. I'm gonna put a little oil in there. Just so we can get everything seared up. Bring it back in a sec. All right, we done heated up. I'm gonna go meat side first in here. Just got these 5 pieces, so it's not overcrowded. It says 10 minutes, but I'm going to try to do about 5 to each side, and roll from there. It shouldn't take 10 minutes to, and I imagine it's probably thinking the pieces are bigger than what it is. So about 5 minutes, I'll bring you back. As you see, I was struggling to flip those first couple of pieces. It was a challenge, I'm here to tell you. But I got it together. I'm gonna put my seasoning blend in here. So bell pepper, onion, and carrot, celery, parsley. Love this stuff. You're gonna add that in after I take the meat out. Gonna take the meat out now. Just get that out the way. Start my next process. goes in. Looks good. Give that a bit of a stir. And we're gonna season those as well. With a little salt. Because though we seasoned the meat, it really is not gonna affect the sauce very much. Granulated garlic. Give that a stir. You can use fresh garlic. I figured the granulated would do me. A couple of cranks of the pepper. That'll do it. Gonna hit it with about a tablespoon of tomato paste. Give that a stir, get everything incorporated. Smells awesome already. Awesome. We're gonna hit it with a little beef broth. Just a little bit. And to kick it up a notch, we're going to add in some Marsala wine. Love that flavor. Finish off that bottle. Give that a stir. Get everything nice and incorporated here. Make sure that tomato paste is broken up a little bit for sure. Add our meat back in. I'm telling you, y'all, I already know this is gonna be awesome. All these great flavors together. My dish pile there. We're gonna lock this in. Start our pressure cookers. And we're gonna be running about an hour and 15 minutes on this cook. Stick around and I'll bring you right back as soon as it gets done. All right, the moment of truth is upon us. 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah. Pressure release. Time to munch. Time to see what we got. Oh, my. Time to let the party do its thing. Pressure is releasing. It's time to make this meal a solid deal. And see what we got. All right, final click, I believe. Nope. Still saying pause. All right. Oh, the smells that just come up out of there. Woo, baby. Smells awesome. Oh, yeah. That's tender, baby. That's gonna be delicious. Tell me you don't like the look of that. Boom. Let's plate this up. All right, I'm gonna put this to the side. While I work on my mashed taters. Because that's what we're gonna put these over. And I'm gonna reduce my sauce to put over that. Stick around. And I probably should have put that in the middle of the plate, but that wasn't my thought at the time. Although that probably would have made a prettier plate. Looks good. And I'm taking the bones off of that so it's presentable. And as you see, the sauce that I had on there has reduced considerably. Yeah. A little green would have made that look right pretty. The meat is nice and tender. I've tried it out. Actually, I ate a whole piece. I couldn't stop myself. So, if you like this one, give me a thumbs up. Tell your friends about me. If you haven't subscribed, please do. And those that have been sticking around, hey, try this out. This is delicious. Leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.